What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you a little piece of software that I find very useful and of great value. So today we're going to be looking at TreeSize free, which is a piece of software that is going to allow you to quickly scan directories, sizes, and find space hops. So you have your computer, you have a lot of files in your computer, and sometimes these files might take up all of the space in your computer. And so you might not know which file is actually taking up a lot of the space. Definitely, you can use your Windows search to kind of find the different files, but you can't really scan through the files all at once. And so this is where this piece of software comes in. This piece of software is going to allow you to see the file sizes of all the directories you have in your computer all at once in a clean interface. So let's definitely check it out and you'll tell me what you think about it. So this is how it goes. You download the software. It has a free version. So once you open it, it's going to show you the different file sizes for each directory you have on your computer. Each directory is going to show you the file sizes. So efficient disk space reporting, scan your volumes in seconds and see the size of all folders, including all subfolders, and break it down to file level. Quickly clean up your disk. With the integrated Windows Explorer context menu and the usual keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly get rid of unwanted stuff. Stunning visualization. See the distribution of the used disk space at a glance with our customizable tree map. So let's check out some images and what it looks like. So basically, when you install the software, as you explore your different directories, you can automatically see the file sizes they occupy. So here you have the top directory. You can see that it has 1 gig. Once you enter, or once you unroll the tree, you can see the sizes of each folder in this. So oftentimes you don't know the file sizes of your directories. You don't know where the heavy files are found, but with this tool you are going to be easily able to visualize that and really see what are those things which are taking up all the space on your computer. Moving on to the next image, you can equally have this distribution which shows you the colors. The red color shows you clearly that this is a very heavy file, a very huge file size, and you might want to check that out. The orange shows you that it's already getting to be problematic, and the green is okay, it's not a big deal. So on the left, you can clearly see the distribution of the sizes. So you see, it shows you here, okay, this top directory is 1 gig, and it shows you how it breaks it down to get to that 1 gig. So that's a little bit what the software does. This equally shows you the image of the different file sizes or the file types and how much space they occupy. So you can see the different color level 0 and so on and so forth. It shows you that it has a dark theme, and it equally has another distribution or another visualization if you prefer. So you can equally add this this kind of column which shows you how much percentage each folder occupies. You can see that, okay, this is the folder that is really taking up a lot of the space. You can see here the distribution of this overall file size. So I really like this piece of software because it's able to really locate quite easily and rapidly the files that are taking up all the space in your computer. It's really straightforward, and it shows you clearly everything that is going on in your computer, where the biggest files are, and it can help you now get rid of those files quite easily. So it definitely comes in multiple versions. You have the free version and equally the paid version. You can see the features which are available in each of them. Yeah, but definitely I found the free version to be enough for me. You know, once I know where the biggest files are, I can easily just go there and download them and delete them. So this is a very useful piece of software, simple piece of software as well. You know, it doesn't try to do a lot of things. I like it because it easily helps me find the largest files in my computer and get rid of them. So if you're struggling from disk size spaces, if you don't know where the biggest files in your computer are, well, don't worry no more. Install this software from Jam Software and it's going to locate all those files and get rid of them for you. So that's just it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.